Language teachers, language B, EAL, second language acquisition. Anybody and everybody who might be thinking in some sort of bilingual, trilingual scenario on any given basis. Got this cool sheet here which has a script, a formula already set up in it for you. You can slightly modify it and it automatically translates stuff in column A to column B, etc. It's pretty cool. I will share with this in the email with you. It'll force a copy up. You can see, I'll look over here. This is essentially what Karina has in her math class, a smaller version. Anything I type over here, equation, I know that's the word in English, what does that mean? In the following 4 languages, it will automatically translate. And Google Translate's fairly good with some of these vocabulary terms. Click on this. In here is this formula. So this one in A7 is translating from English to Chinese. It's really simple to set up. I have a link here. You can click on it. It will open up the following. It shows you the equation. And then all you have to do, if you're teaching Spanish or French, Dutch, you can simply grab the code down here. What's our Dutch code? It's an NL. So I'll just grab that and I'll come to the top. I'm going to put my NL in here. And then in my sheet, and I'll just pick this section right here, why not? This bit, you tell it which area. So that's going to translate anything in that D column. I can hit enter. I can go ahead and drag this down for the rest. It's going to do that annoying value thing. But now I can type anything in here, and now it'll give me my Dutch equivalency, that sort of thing. And this could be fantastic. It could be from your Spanish to your English, etc. Got lots of kids taking multiple languages. This is for a content class, her math class. If you need some help setting this up, it's pretty cool. And I think a lot of kids could benefit from it, specified personal vocabulary list sort of thing.